Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off Smart Sidebar on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility and Convenience. And from here, you will find the option of Smart Sidebar. Just tap on it. Now just enable the toggle for Smart Sidebar to enable the sidebar on your Oppo phone. And once you enable this toggle, a small bar will appear at the side of the screen. Now just swipe from the side of the screen to enable the sidebar on your smartphone. Now just select Get Started, and once you do that, you will enable the Smart Sidebar on your Oppo phone. Just like that. Now if you want to disable Smart Sidebar on your smartphone, just disable this toggle. And once you disable this toggle, you will disable the Smart Sidebar feature on your smartphone. And this is how you can turn on and off Smart Sidebar on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.